Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Temu app verification error. So first and foremost, what you have to do is make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, make sure that you switch it to your mobile data. Now next, head over to use section. And if you're trying to verify your account or any type of verification, make sure that the details are correct. You have to make sure that your name, account info, and the email addresses are correct. Now next, you might be getting a email like for verification, but you have to check your email spam folder, and sometimes the emails could be allocated in that section where you might not be able to see it. So make sure that you also check your email spam folder. Next, long tap onto Temu, select the eye icon. Scroll below, let's go ahead, clear some cache, select storage, and then select clear cache. Lastly, select force stop. It will cause a temporary force stop onto Temu app. That's okay, select OK. Restart your device, launch your Temu, get logged into your account, try again, and it will work.